Oil life reset in a 2025 Subaru Legacy. It's pretty simple. We're gonna head over to the radio, okay? And at the radio, we're looking for the home button here. Press the home button. You're looking for the car info button. Once you get in here, you can see right here it says maintenance. Now, these are all your reminders here. They could be telling you which one. Okay, the car will be telling you which one's due. But we just changed the oil in this car, so if any of these are due, you're just gonna hit the gear symbol that's right here. And all you have to do is hit default, and it'll reset it automatically. You can go in here and manually put in the date if you want to put the date in. You can even manually go in and set the miles if you want. That's pretty much how you do all of these. Okay, this one's actually not turned on. And if they're turned on, it'll give you miles right there. So that's it. That's how you reset it. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd appreciate it if you could support the channel by hitting subscribe, leave me a comment, and liking the video. And thanks for watching the video.